This is a 2002 Toyota Celica GTS, 37,000 original miles. Yes, 37,000 original miles. Has aftermarket turbo intercooler, aftermarket wheels. Just a super gorgeous car. It is running, it needs nothing. It's not obnoxious sounding. Has a moonroof. Completely rust-free. Body kit. $37,000 original miles. Moonroof. Cloth seats are like new. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. 37,000 miles. Carfax report. Clean title, original miles. So this is a 2002 Toyota Celica GTS with an aftermarket turbo and intercooler. 37,000 original miles, one of a kind, needs absolutely nothing. Gorgeous car, stunning car, one of a kind.